Hello everyone, and then welcome to the continuation of our business card AR project. So in our previous lesson, we learned to do work on the UI, including that of the GIF. And what you notice is I've actually done some adjustments. So what I'm going to do is I'll click and then kindly use the values as you see here. Okay, if you want the same thing as mine, do same for this. So observe here. So the rectangle, these are the values. The GIF, there's the value of the GIF, and then these are the values. Okay, you can decide to click on them individually, but when I highlight all of them, I think they all have the same value. Okay, values. And these two, I increase the size, so you check the size here. Okay, then that should be it. So now this is what we have. Now let's go to the behaviors, but first let's group them. Okay, so what I want to do is when this is clicked, we want this all of these to show, but these ones and these are one unit. Okay, so I'm going to highlight these. Okay, the icons and then the about as you see here. Okay, and then I'll write I can just group. Okay, so it becomes one group, and I'm going to change it to about. Okay, so group about, or you can use Control G to group. Okay, and then I'm going to group this one too, so the GIF and then the rectangle, so the GIF and then the rectangle. So a group. I'm going to call it let's just give group give, not gig, give. Okay, so that's what we have. And now we'll go to the behaviors. Or let's preview our project first. Okay. So remember the back is hidden. Okay, the back is hidden. That's the back. So there's the front. As you see here, that's the back, and then there's the front. So remember we previously hid it. Okay, so hide back. Now we want to hide a couple of things. So if I click on this, it's going to highlight all of this. So I'm going to click here and then click hide. So they are going to hide. Let's click this one too, then hide. Okay. So now on scene start, they are all hidden. When the person scan, this is going to pop. And then when I click on this, okay, we've not toggled this. We've also not toggled this. So let's go back and then do the toggling. So now let's see what we want to do. So now we want the front. Okay, so front, when front is tap, so let's come to trigger. When tap, we want it to hide the back. That's if the back isn't hidden, it should hide it. Okay, those with programming background, sorry, not want to hide the back. So back, so hide back. Let's do so when front is tap, we want it to hide front instead and then show the back. Okay, so front, and then here we click here another action, hide the back. So back hide. So let's test our project here. So okay, so there's something happening. Let's go back and see where it's hidden. Okay, so instead of back hide, okay, so front hide, back should show. Okay, back should show. So let's come here and then click show. Okay, so let's go back and then try it out. Okay, so you can see the back is showing when I let's go back and see what we want to do. And then we're going to do same. Let's make this show. We also want our read more to be hidden. Okay, so the read more should be hidden. Okay, so the read more, so in our scene start it should be hidden. Okay, so we'll hide it. Now our front tab, when front tab, it should hide the fronts, and then the back of our business card should show. Now we want our read more to also show. So where is this show? Read more. Okay, since it's already selected, which is why it has automatically picked it. Now let's go to the back. So when back is tapped, we want it to hide. Want it to hide the back. So hide. Click on the subject, that's the back. Then want it to show the front. Show front. Then it should show our business card. Sorry, our business, read more business. So when we go to preview it, okay, so you can see what we have. Now, if you notice something, this is supposed to be the back, not read more. Okay, so I'm going to change this to back. So let's go to preview and then now, yeah, so this is what we want. So the back will show when we click, the front will show. Back will show, front, the front will show. Okay, so we've learned to do some troubleshooting. Now, let's see what we need to do. So once when the read more is clicked, okay, so since it's already selected, the read more is selected, we'll click when it's tapped. Okay, we want it to show this, so which is, so let's go to our subjects. So our subject is going to be the group about. Okay, then we also want it to show this one, so let me just click it, then come here, then click on show. Okay, show. So let's preview it and see what we have here. Here, then you can see it's showing everything for us. Okay. So now we want, what we want is for our GIF to play. So the action is going to be what? Play images since it's a GIF. Let's select the GIF. So that's the name of my GIF. Okay. So the name of my GIF is this Shepherd GIF, the new. Okay. If I click on play, nothing will happen. So what I'll have to, let me pause this, or rather increase it to, let's say, 15 frames per second. Okay, I can choose infinite. So now when we go to preview it, click here, our GIF should play. So you can see the GIF is playing. Okay, so an assignment can be that to make things quick, okay, you can decide to hide all of this by just trying something out on your own. Okay, so maybe when the person touches this, everything should hide, and then we'll go back to the whole process again. Thank you.